If we don't regulate social media, if we don't,
never ever repeat this in your entire generation, in your entire brain. Don't talk about the media.
In UK it is regulated, in US it is regulated. Kenya cannot be free for all. Kenya can't.
Man, they cut money, Mr. Tuwali, I'm just concerned about you, man. Recently, this month it was like this one. What you spoke did not make me well. It made me feel like you're trying to join the dictators. And you know, I hate dictators. I hate people who talk against us, man. Nilisikia unasema they regulate the media. Ama nilisikia unasema namna gani? I heard you talking, bwana, seriously talking that hey, President, this time we want you to regulate the media because the media have gone extra mind. They are speaking everything. Ndio ulisema useless, bwana. Wewe, how can you talk to us that we regulate the media? Who do you think you are? Hello. Who do you think you are, my friend? Who do you think you are? That you are coming here to tell the president that you regulated the media? Who do you think you are, my friend? Who do you think you are, Bana? Well, in fact, you should tell us, when are you retiring? When are you going home? You understand? You don't have the right to go around and say, oh, regulate the media, they regulate them. Who do you think you are? How can you regulate the media? In fact, what I'm trying to say is that you have not even paid our paid price, Bana. Unakumbuka ule bibi yako the last, uliwoka media. Kama sio media ungeona bibi. You married from the media and you should pay the price. Huyu mwanamke mpya, huyu juzi mwenye amekuzalia. Where did you see her? You saw her in the media where you managed to marry her. Now you are talking around every place. Oh, change the media. Oh, the media regulate. Kama hauna kitu ya kuongea bwana Mr. Tuwali, shut up. Shut up na uende. Umesikia nini? Ninaweza kuonyesha choma nikulipie choo uende na uachilie zile. You can regulate and release the weight that is in your stomach. Hivi kama mzee wewe una akili bwana, umekuwa useless. Wenzako bwana wafanyakazi wanakonda. Have you ever asked yourself kwa nini wafanyakazi wanakonda but wewe unanona tumbo? Have you ever asked that? Wafanyakazi wanaretire na 40 na 60 and wewe unaenda 80. When are you retiring bwana? Retire bwana because you are becoming useless. Kama unaanza kuongea vitu hapa ndio tunakulia, you understand? We are not regulating it bwana, tuna release bwana because you have touched the tail. Now you want to shut up, go away there and stop everything. You cannot stop the media and say, oh, media go regulate. Yani wewe badala ya kwenda kwa mkutano uambie watu wafanyakazi waongezewe mshahara, wewe unaenda pale regulate the media. Media ni yako useless bwana. Hii media wewe ndio unaweka. Tunatumia mitandao ya hewa. Everything ni ya hewa. Alafu unakuja regulate the media. Regulate the media. Weka bro, regulate the media. Oh, hiyo bibi yako ulitoa wapi? Si ulitoa kwa media? Kama sio media, you don't want people to see beautiful girls like you saw. You bako kamungoa kwa media ukapeleka nyumbani. Sijui kama umetulipa kama watu wa media, you should pay our price. Umesikia? Never talk kwa things that do not concern you. We are not your employees. Go and defend those people that are employed. Don't come here and think to talk to us, man. We have our court. Not people useless like you walking around here. Regulate the media. Pumbavu kabisa. Shenzi kabisa wewe. Never ever repeat this in your entire generation, in your entire brain. Don't talk about the media. You understand? Don't talk about the media. We are our own boss. We control ourselves. We speak what we think. Now when you touch us, you have touched the fire. Useless. Pumbafu.
Mungu sina nguvu mimi. Mimi ni mdhaifu katika maisha yangu, pia upigwa. Si hatuna nguvu yoyote. Sisi hatuna uwezo.